Hey there, Cajon drummers, and welcome back. It's time to learn some new Cajon grooves, and this time we're going to be doing reggae/dub. So I think we're ready. Let's get started. Here is number one. Okay, so that first one, it basically works for everything. It's one of my favorite go-to reggae grooves. I hope you enjoy it, and let's move on to number two. Okay, so there's something a little bit different. One thing I try to keep in mind with this groove is the accuracy of the unison hits, right? When your right hand and left hand hit exactly the same time, it's going to sound nice and tight in this groove. Okay, so let's move on to beat number three. Okay, so as we're starting to add in some more complexity to these grooves, personally I love using that finger technique because it's fast and light, but you don't have to. You could leave it out, or you could change it to just normal hits with your hand if you're fast enough, and it will definitely still sound fine. So give it a go with the finger technique or not, but enjoy. I hope you get a lot out of that groove. Anyway, let's move on now to groove number 4. All right, so we're starting to get into a little more of the dub vibe there, I think. It's a strange groove, but definitely when you master the feel of it, it becomes super hypnotic. So I hope you enjoy that one. Let's move on to the final beat. Number 5, here we go. Okay, and finally today, I would love to tell you about how to get this. Okay, so this is more than 50 pages of sheet music, tips, instructions, all of which that you can get access to online, download, print out, and keep in your practice space near your cajon. It covers all of the lessons in the beginner, intermediate, and advanced playlists, as well as all of the members courses that I've been releasing throughout the year. So yeah, it's a lot. Did I say it was 50 pages? Yeah, I think it's more than that. It's maybe 70 pages so far, but it's growing and growing and growing. So in the top comment and in the description, I'll leave a link that you can use to become a paid member of my channel. So as a paid supporting member of my channel, you do get access to all of that sheet music, you know, the lesson PDFs, and you can learn some really in-depth skills. There are 4-part mini courses on all kinds of different topics, and the crazy thing is I'm releasing a new 4-part course for members every month. So it's crazy, but the idea is I just want to keep improving it so that I can give as much value as humanly possible to you members, and I want to just improve it every month. So it just gets better and better the longer that you are a member. The cost is only $5 a month, and you can cancel anytime. So why not just give it a try, download some PDFs, learn as much as you can from the 4-part in-depth courses, join a members-only live stream, and then if you're still enjoying the membership, maybe you'd consider continuing on with me into the future. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video and any video you have watched. I really appreciate you guys. Just an amazing community that I'm a part of, and I can't wait to see you guys again. So I will see you on the next one. Bye.